Hello friends, now we came here for a new topic, new application for PN junction diode. Okay, till now we seen the uh, one of the application of PN junction diode, a rectifier. Okay, we seen about rectifier. Okay, so in rectifier, what we suppose what we are doing in the rectifier means the process of we are converting AC signal into DC. Okay, so bridge rectifier gives the suppose compared to all the center tapped and half wave rectifier, bridge rectifier characteristics are very good. So we are taking account taking that bridge rectifier for to make the suppose conversion AC to pulsating DC, we are choosing the bridge rectifier. Okay, and so that we are not getting the pure DC. So for that we have the suppose another circuit diagram, that is the filter. Okay, and the next regulator. Okay, that is we seen in last class about a bridge rectifier. Now we are seeing the clipper circuit. Clipper circuit is a circuit which remove the unwanted portion of input signal at output terminal. Okay, clipper nothing but remove the unwanted portion of your input signal at output terminal. So we can say clipper. But suppose if you want if you are generating input signal 10 volts, but at output's destination required only 5 volts. So I want to remove the 5 volts. So at that position you can use the clipper circuit. You can use the clipper circuit. So what is the difference between a rectifier and a clipper means? Rectifier means it conversion AC signal into DC. Okay, but a clipper remove the unwanted part. Okay, but suppose if you want to remove the suppose input signal 10 volts. For suppose your input signal is 10 volts, I want to eliminate only 2 volts. I want 7 volt at output side. I want to suppose remove the 2 volts. So at that position you can use the clipper circuits. Clipper circuits we can use. So in most of the case communication we can use audio communication, radio communication. We can use the this type of circuits, clipper circuits. If you see the FM radio station, FM radio stations. Suppose we are generating the signal high voltage signal we are generating, but we need a low voltage signal. But suppose we are a receiver required the low voltage. So at that position we are reducing the amplitude, right? We are reducing the amplitude and we are increasing the amplitude, right? So how we are increasing and decreasing the amplitude means by using clipper circuit. By using the clipper circuit we can suppose limit the amplitude. We can limit the amplitude. So another name of clipper, it's a amplitude limiter. Okay, and we can say cutter or a slicer we can say. Okay, so clipper means convert suppose remove the unwanted part at output terminal, that is called clipper circuit. Remove the unwanted part of input signal at output terminal, that is called clipper. Okay, so clipper classifications two types. One is a series clipper, another one is a shunt clipper. Series clipper and shunt clipper. Okay, so series clipper again further classifications two types. One is a negative clipper and a positive clipper. Okay, so if you want to remove your input signal negative part, so you can use suppose a negative clipper. If you want to remove the positive part of your input signal, you can use the positive clipper circuit. Okay, so again in a negative part, but suppose completely if you want to remove the suppose I don't want to remove the complete part of input signal at output terminal. So at that situation I can use biased circuit, biased clipper. Okay, up to what level I required. So I can just give the external voltage, external DC voltage. So by using that external DC voltage, I can remove the whatever I required, the whatever required portion I want to remove. So by using this biasing circuit, we can remove that part of signal. Okay. So for suppose your input signal is 10 volts. Okay. So with only positive and negative clipper circuit, we can remove the positive part and negative part. Okay. When you go to the suppose bias clipper circuit, I want to remove the 2 volts within the 10 volts input. I want to remove the 2 volts input signal at output terminal. Okay. At that situation, I can give the here DC voltage or external voltage. Okay. 2.5 volts. So based on the suitable this arrangement of circuit. Okay. So I can remove that 2.5 volts or 3 volts, 4 volts, like that I can remove by using this bias circuit. Okay. So negative clipper 2 types, biased clipper and unbiased clipper. Again positive clipper 2 types, biased and unbiased. Okay. The next one, shunt clipper or parallel clipper. Shunt clipper or parallel clipper. So shunt clipper or parallel clipper 2 types, positive shunt clipper and negative shunt clipper. So that is also same thing. We have to remove the part of signal. So we can use unbiased signal. Okay. Unbiased means negative or positive shunt clipper. Okay. So biased means I want to remove certain part of your input signal, not complete part of signal. Okay. So for that purpose, I can use the biased clippers. Okay. Clipper means cut the input signal at output terminal. That's it. Okay. So that cutting means based on the suppose requirement. I want to remove the complete input signal part, half or positive or negative. Okay. Or I want to remove the in part half cycle some part I want to suppose remove. So at that moment I can use the biased clipper circuits. Okay. So now we are seeing here a series clipper circuit. So this is a series clipper circuit and series clipper negative series clipper circuit, because we are removing here a negative part. So we are removing here a negative part. So we are saying this one is a negative series clipper circuit, because we connected the circuit diode with a series load resistor. So that's why we are saying this is a series clipper circuit. Okay, which part are going to suppose cut, which part to suppose remove. So that part that's circuit is we are calling here, the circuit is called negative series clipper circuit. Negative series clipper circuit. Okay. So you can see here negative series clipper circuit. Negative series clipper circuit. You can observe. Let us assume input signal is peak to peak 4 volts. So your input signal, this one is your input signal, peak to peak 4 volts. Okay. One peak amplitude is 2 volts. Okay. Positive peak amplitude is 2 volts and negative peak amplitude is 2 volts. Okay. So when I am applying input signal, let us see for a positive half cycle what happens is similar to half wave rectifier. It is similar to half wave rectifier, and the used diode is a silicon diode. Okay, silicon diode cutting voltage is 0.7. Okay, so if you see the practically, so it when it reaches the 0.7, suppose your input signal starts from 0, 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. At 0.7, because it is a forward bias, right? So for a positive half cycle, diode becomes the forward bias. Okay. Polarity is positive and negative. And given input signal is Vm. Vm here. Positive amplitude we are giving. Okay, so positive connected to the P region, negative connected to the N region. So this one is called the diode in forward bias. So forward bias means after 0.7 voltage, your diode will be conduct. Okay, if you assume the diode in ideal case cutting voltage we are neglecting. Okay, but practically if you see the this one diode, so we have to consider the cutting voltage. So after 0.7 volts, diode will be conduct. Okay, for a positive half cycle diode, D1 diode in forward bias, and current flowing IL is equal to Im sin omega t, Im sin omega t. So for a positive half cycle you are getting the current after 0.7 volts like this. Okay, after 0.7 voltage your current flowing through the load resistor, current flowing through the load resistor. If you represent in a voltage, so the output becomes be like this. Okay, the next one, so if you apply the KVL here, if you apply the KVL plus start from the current direction, start from the positive to negative, so apply the KVL, so apply KVL in the circuit, so plus Vm, okay, plus Vm, and here we are considering the cutting voltage of this silicon diode minus Vf, and here output is V naught equal to 0. Okay, so Vm minus Vf minus V naught is equal to 0. Algebraic sum of the voltage equal to 0. So from this you can write the output voltage. So output voltage V naught is equal to Vm minus Vf. So we know the, suppose Vm is 2 volts. But suppose if you see the V naught is equal to Vm 2 volts, assume here, and silicon diode cutting voltage is 0.7. What is your net voltage output? 1.3 volts. So this amplitude is 1.3 volts. So this is the negative series clipper. The next, if you see the positive series clipper means just change the diode direction. So what about in reverse bias? What about in suppose a negative half cycle? What happened? Negative half cycle, this is the normal diode, negative half cycle, negative and positive. Okay, polarities becomes negative and positive. For a negative half cycle diode in reverse bias, say negative connected to the P region and positive connected to the N region. So now this diode is become reverse bias. So the circuit is open circuit. So what is the current? 0. Resistance is very high. So IL is equal to 0. So that's why for a negative half cycle output voltage is 0. So output voltage is 0 for a negative half cycle. Right? So this is the negative series clipper circuit. Then next to see the positive series clipper. Okay, positive series clipper. Right? So positive series clipper. So if you apply the this one is a positive series clipper circuit diagram. Similarly, same operation. Okay, for a positive half cycle, the diode becomes the reverse bias. Reverse bias means a circuit, open circuit. Then what about the output waveform? Output waveform will be, suppose this one 0, but output waveform will be 0, right? The next, for a negative half cycle, it conducts after 0.7 voltage. So it becomes a short circuit for a negative half cycle, negative, and this one is a positive. Okay, and here the polarities, this one is negative and this one is positive. Okay, and output equal to what you will get. Suppose output is equal to, okay, apply the KVL. So if current start like this. Okay, suppose V naught is equal to V naught minus Vf minus plus V in. So from this we can write V naught is equal to 0. V naught is equal to minus if we neglect this one cutting voltage, it becomes the minus Vn. So the output it start from the, suppose negative side. So this one is minus Vm if you neglect the cutting voltage. If you neglect the cutting voltage, so the output minus Vm will get. Okay, this is the positive series clipper, because we removed, we cutted the, suppose here positive half cycle of the input signal. So this way we can suppose discuss about the series positive and negative clipper. Series positive and negative clipper. Okay. Now this is the shunt clipper. Okay. So shunt clipper, it is parallel. We connected the diode parallelly with the load resistor. Okay. So we are saying this one is the shunt clipper circuit. Shunt clipper circuit. Okay. So shunt clipper circuit waveform exactly opposite of a positive series clipper. Okay, and this one is a connected diode in a parallel to the, suppose this load resistor. Okay, so see the circuit operation of shunt clipper. Okay, circuit operation of shunt clipper. The same input 4 volts peak to peak. Let us assume 4 volts input peak to peak with suppose 1 kilohertz frequency. 1 kilohertz frequency for suppose your input signal. Okay, so when you suppose apply the input signal, so like this, the input signal peak to peak 4 volts. Okay, for a positive half cycle, the diode becomes the forward bias. For a positive half cycle, diode becomes forward bias, positive half cycle Vm. Okay, forward bias means, see, P connected, plus connected to the positive, suppose bias, positive potential going to the, whenever it's not a constant voltage, right? It is an alternative voltage. Okay, whenever the positive potential going to the, suppose P region, so this becomes the forward bias. Okay, whenever the, suppose negative supply going to the end P region, so that becomes the reverse bias, right? So let us assume the, whenever the positive cycle we are given to the this diode, now diode becomes the forward bias. Forward bias means it's a short circuit. Diode is on position and the circuit is short circuit. And what about your current? Diode current flowing through the ground. Okay, so for a positive cycle, diode becomes forward bias. Okay, and your current, IL current flowing through the ground. Now this current becomes the 0. That current becomes the, suppose output voltage becomes the 0. Okay, when output voltage VL is equal to IL into RL, IL becomes 0 means VL becomes 0 means output voltage becomes the 0. Output voltage becomes the 0. Then next one for a negative half cycle, the diode becomes the reverse bias. Okay, now current, because reverse bias means it has the high resistance. Okay, current cannot flow through the this diode. Okay, now current flowing through the, like this, through the load resistor. Okay, means whatever the half cycle of amplitude, that voltage appear at output side. At the output side. Now you can see the output waveform. Ideally, let us assume the diode is ideal diode. So now output voltage is V out is equal to minus Vm. V out is equal to minus Vm voltage you will get at output side, right? So this is about, so which part is clipped here? Positive part clipped means we can say this one is a positive shunt clipper. This one is a positive shunt clipper circuit. Okay. Then similarly, negative shunt clipper. So we have to change the diode direction. So this one is a negative shunt clipper. So now what happened? For a positive half cycle, diode becomes the reverse bias. Okay. When you apply the negative half cycle, this diode becomes the forward bias. When you apply the negative half cycle, this diode becomes the forward bias. Forward bias means short circuit. short circuit for a negative half cycle. For a negative half cycle, diode becomes the forward bias, and your current diode current flowing through the ground means output voltage becomes the 0. Okay, for what input signal here? Negative half cycle. For a negative half cycle, output voltage is 0. Negative half cycle, output voltage becomes the 0. Output for a negative half cycle, output is 0. Then next, positive half cycle. When you apply the positive half cycle, the diode becomes the reverse bias. Now what is the output voltage? Output voltage is equal to plus Vm. Okay, so output voltage is plus Vm. So like this, we can remove the part of input signal at output terminal of complete part signal. Okay, complete. We are removing here in both the cases series shunt unbiased circuit. What we are doing means we are removing the complete part of signal. But in some of the cases, some of the application, we need to suppose remove the in a certain portion of signal. We have to cut the certain portion of whether positive half cycle or negative half cycle. I want to remove certain portion of signal. Okay, at that moment I can use biased series or shunt clipper circuit. At that moment I can use biased series or shunt clipper circuits. So very important. Okay, logic only we have to apply here. Okay, in a series, if the diode in forward bias, whatever the suppose the amplitude that is appear at output side. Okay, in shunt, if diode in forward bias, the output voltage becomes 0. Okay, and similarly in series, the diode is reverse bias, output voltage becomes 0. But in parallel, diode is reverse bias, the output voltage is that peaks voltage, whether it is positive or negative, that is appearing to the at output side. Okay, so generally we are using this clipper circuit in most of the communication, FM communication, radio communication, audio communication we are using. Okay, suppose you can see when you are suppose increasing the volume, or suppose if you want to decrease the volume means, so whatever the signal, that input signal, so input signal coming from the base station, right? So we all are the audience. Okay, I don't want to suppose listen that much of amplitude signal. Okay, that audio signal, I want to reduce that amplitude. So what we are doing means we are suppose reducing that amplitude signal. Okay, we are reducing the amplitude by using this type of clipper series and shunt circuit. Okay, right, this is about clipper.